Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the details of this car, the new generation Citroen C3 AIRCROSS. As you can see, we have the all new styling, the new Citroen's design language. So let's start on the front. You can notice the lovely lights and this new Citroen badge that suits the car so well. Next to it, this reflector grille and the chevron pattern, so lovely attention to details. And then you see the chevron pattern here in the lower section as well. The LEDs, I will now lock and then unlock the car so that you can see the LED lights with the lovely lighting signature, like on the rest of the new Citroen models. So overall, very lovely styling. I think it looks elegant and robust at the same time. There are various options when it comes to customization. So you have the color packs, you have 6 colors and 2 roof colors. From this angle, you can also see the unique shape of the bonnet as well as the shape of the roof itself. And now we move on to the side. 4 meters 39 is the length of this new generation model. So it is longer than the predecessor, 23 centimeters longer. The wheelbase is 7 centimeters longer. Now let's check out the wheels. So here you can see the 17-inch wheels. Let's check out the dimension of the tires, 215 50 R17. You have the lovely dual tone, the new Citroen badge in the middle. And yeah, overall I think they suit the car very well. And here you see also on the wheel arches the chevron pattern, so lovely attention to details. Now the white roof on this car, I think it suits it pretty well with this green color. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice, what would be your spec for this car. Let's lock it now. There we go. And now I will unlock it once again so that you can see the tail lights with the lovely lighting signature. So in the middle we have the new Citroen badge and then similar shape here as on the front. So I love the attention to details, also the lighting signature. So once again, similar to the headlamps with this C shape here. And yeah, also the model in our video is the Hybrid 145. I will talk about the powertrain options a bit later on, but you can see here the real exhaust pipe. That is always nice to see. And C3 AIRCROSS lettering, rear wiper, again lovely shape of the roof, and chevron pattern in the lower section of the bumper. Time to check out the trunk space. Here we are greeted with 460 liters up to 1600 liters, and we are talking about this 5-seat version. I say 5-seat because there's also the option to get this car as a 7-seater. So really a lot of options and really a practical car indeed. You can see the dual floor here, so you can put a lot of things here in the lower section. You can put this whole thing like this. A bit tricky now with the things that I already have here, so just a moment. Now we will try to make it. All right, so now I've adjusted it. There we go. Now it's in the lower position. There we go. That was the exterior, and now it's time to check out the interior of the car. As you can see, here we have the lovely C-Zen Lounge, as Citroen calls it. Small steering wheel, head-up display, and the 10.25-inch touchscreen. Citroen Advanced Comfort seats. These are so comfortable, and overall the car is so comfortable with the Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension as well. Now here you see these tags, so be cool. And then on that one it says have fun, so quite a cool detail. And then here this is in white. This is in order for you to be able to see the things that you've put in the door pocket. That's the idea behind it. And then the switches for the windows and the mirrors. But now let's see it from driver's perspective. So I will get in, close the door, and we are ready. But first I will change the view to show you from wider angle. Here is the view from wider angle. I have the key, so it's the physical one. I will insert it here and turn on the car. There we go. And this is the layout here in front of us. Let's change the view back, and I will show you the details of this interior. The steering wheel is the 2-spoke one. It's the small one with the new Citroen badge. Feels very nice in hand. Also, it's got the physical buttons. Now, in front of us is the innovative head-up display with various information. And then by pressing this, you can go into menus. So menu for driver assistant and user. So let me just focus. There we go. So then you can adjust various things, the brightness, the gauges, and also units, language as well. Then you go back and driver assist settings are here. Let's go back and back. So those are the settings, and then by pushing this button here, there we go, you can change also between different information here on the right. Of course, the main star here, 10.25-inch touchscreen. I will show you the details in a moment. Here is where you control the air vents. So it's nice to see the physical buttons for the AC controls. Then you have automatic one, and this is how you manually adjust the air blower. Various modes are available here, and also we can then turn on the heated seats here on both sides. Wireless charging pad, cup holders, they are not adjustable. Here we have the minimalistic gear selector for the electrified dual clutch EDCT automatic transmission. And then this is in gloss black. I'm not a fan of this, to be honest, because it will get fingerprints and scratches easily. Now here you have the electronic parking brake and the additional storage room, as well as USB-C port. And underneath this middle armrest, you have quite a decent amount of room. Speaking about storage room, again, here you see this in white, and also the glove compartment as well, with cool details. So look at this, some iconic models here. That is really cool. Now the new infotainment system, this one is pretty simple, easy to use. As you can see, also it is fast, and you have various details and the settings in here. Here is where you go back, you can adjust the display, then devices, and we go back like this. Now audio, you can adjust the settings for that, and the clock, there we go. This is all good, so I'm not gonna change that. Let's go back to the home menu. Radio, you have the list of stations, phone connection, and the navigation as well. So if we press agree, there we go. And then here in the upper corner, you have settings, driver assists, and route settings as well. You can also zoom in like this, or with hand. I mean, also here, obviously with hand, but by pushing those things on the sides, and various views available. And I think that's pretty much it. Not gonna go through all the details. As you can see, it's pretty easy to use. You have the volume here And then also you can have the power off or screen off, and touch anywhere on the screen to turn it on. There we go. Or you can do power off, and yeah, again, this is it. Also, I will show you the lights here. There we go, sun visor. Hello there, we don't have the lights here. And now we are ready for the rear bench. 2 meters 67 is the length of the wheelbase, so 7 centimeters longer than on the predecessor. So let's check out the situation here. Again, you see the door pocket with white surrounding so that you can see easily what you have in here. Feel good tag. Now let's jump on board. There we go, very comfortable. This is the first thing that you notice when you step inside. Here you have the storage room, but also here this. And so does the occupant here behind the co-driver. USB-C ports, 12-volt power supply. Let me show you the situation for my head. I'm 1.87 m, and look at the amount of room that I still have here. This is amazing, and actually, you know, surprised me a lot because this is a car that is 4.39 m, so it's not a huge SUV, but the amount of room that I have here is just like crazy amazing. So yeah, overall here at the rear bench, it is comfortable and I have plenty of space, so big thumb up from me. Time to talk about the powertrain options, and really there is a lot to choose from: petrol, hybrid or electric versions. So those are the options. Let's start with the base one, the petrol one, 1.2 liter turbo engine with 100 horsepower and 6-speed manual. Here we have hybrid 145 horsepower. It combines the new generation 1.2 PureTech engine developed for hybrid and eVCT electrified dual clutch automatic transmission, incorporating a 21 kilowatt electric motor powered by a 48-volt lithium-ion battery. And there are also 2 electric versions: standard range with 44 kilowatt-hour battery and the extended range with 54 kilowatt-hour battery and 400 kilometers of range. Alright guys, that's it. We are now going on a point of view test drive, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.